song. The only thing that we did have to do was shoot the beginning of that dollhouse portion, where there was actually this really cute dollhouse that we had made. And we all had to kind of take our positions and imagine a reaction. And then the rest of it is all imaginary. So we've actually done nothing.
Actually, Homie was dancing in front of us and that's her reaction. Yeah, and then Dino also danced in front of us. Then the reaction of looking away is because Dino was dancing in front of us. Honestly, that's all that we've done. The rest is all Shamak and Homie's idea to have our faces on other people. And
since we are such good dancers.
Yes. But actually, in this video, definitely Pankaj sir has stolen the show with some of his steps.
Backflip and cartwheel.
Outstanding.
Fantastic. So members of the media, the session and floor is now open for question and answers. The mics are in amongst you all, so if you have any queries, you can please ask your questions. Thank you.
Hi Deepika, here.
Hi.
हम सीनियर एक्टर्स को देख नहीं रहे प्रमोशंस के लिए, क्या वजह है कि वो दिखाई नहीं दे रहे प्रमोशंस पे?
I have no idea, yeah. They ask us. Actually, I think the reason we decided to do this is because we had a lot of fun. We had not actually planned an event like this, but we got a very positive reaction to the first launch that we did where all of you were. And we were all having such a great time. And this song was just one of the songs that they played live for all of you. And the reaction to that song was also very, very positive. So then we decided to also combine it with an event and make it special for all of you, because it's also, the song's also releasing now in some time. Yeah.
जब आप बोलो तब release कर देंगे.
Part of the movie, ये song movie का part भी है क्या?
Sorry?
The song is there in the movie as well?
Yes, both the songs. There are only 2 songs. The song that we released last week and this song. There are only 2 songs in the movie.
Hi, Deepika. Prerna here, straight.
Hi.
Yeah, Deepika, I wanted to ask कि Dimple जी को इतना hot and happening look दिया गया है, and comparatively आपका look उतना happening नहीं है, तो क्या आपको कभी लगा नहीं कि Deepika, Dimple जी जैसा hot and happening आपका भी होना चाहिए?
To begin with, she is hot and happening, and there's no way I'm competing with her. But also, I think we all try and stay true to the character that we are in the film. When I'm part of a film, I'm not playing Deepika Padukone. Neither do I consider myself hot or happening. I think we're just trying to be true to the character. The girl Angie that I'm playing is someone who's she's very, very real. जैसे हम लोग कहते हैं, the girl next door. She's someone who's very approachable. She's very loving. She's very sensitive, very caring. And she's naive, she's innocent, and so I think when you're styled in a film, you're styled based on what the character that you're playing.
I think Dimple ma'am will be very happy that you found her look glamorous.
Definitely, she's looking very hot. Arjun, my next question is for you. इसमें Ranveer is playing a cameo, and उनका और दीपिका का जो marriage वाला picture है, leak हुआ है, काफी लोगों को पसंद आया है. So I just want to know कि क्या
I just want to say कि वो leak नहीं हुआ है, हमने ही दिया है.
तो आपको कभी ऐसा नहीं लगा कि he'll steal the show, मतलब वो ज़्यादा पसंद आया है?
यार मैंने उसके साथ पूरी picture की, and वो that thought never crossed my mind. So if he's coming in and being gracious for a scene, अगर हम इतनी छोटी सोच रखेंगे when it comes to working with fellow actors and him providing his one day to add certain value to an emotion in the film. You can't think like that. It's about having fun. I mean, this entire film for me has been that journey. So, like she said, you don't compare yourself and think like that. And why would he want to steal my thunder? Why would I want to steal his thunder? Why can't we coexist? And why can't you guys be happy that we're always coexisting?
When actors come together, especially for a film like Finding Fanny, where there are so many actors, nobody's trying to steal anybody's thunder. The only intention, and trust me on this, is to make a good movie and to entertain the audience. If any one of us was uncomfortable sharing screen space with the other, we would not have even been a part of the film to begin with. So obviously our intentions are very clear, and that's why you're comfortable sharing screen space with 5 other actors.
And just to add to the situation, he's playing my friend and her friend in the film. So we both have a connect to the character. It's not just that he's married to her in the film. There is a connect from my character's perspective also. So that's why he adds even more value by being there, even for that one small sequence in the film.
Okay, Hi Arjun. And Runa from News Nation. आप दोनों से जानना चाहते हैं, ये बूटिया का क्या मतलब होता है?
जड़ी बूटी. बूटिया का मतलब क्या होता है? ये जो मेरी थोड़ी कम है, लेकिन है तो सही।
ये इतना प्रोमिनेंट क्यों होता जा रहा है फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में, स्पेशली
फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में नहीं, आम जिंदगी में भी जब लोग नाचते हैं तो सबसे पहले यही करते हैं ना, जब शुरू करते हैं तो वही हिलती है पहले।
गाने में इतना क्यों प्रोमिनेंट होता जा रहा है? अभी थोड़ी देर पहले एक और अंजन की सिटी में हमारा बम डोले, आई मीन
Sorry?
इतना प्रोमिनेंट है ये। खूबसूरत नाम की एक फिल्म आ रही है।
हाँ सुना है मैंने, उसमें सोनम कपूर है ना।
हाँ जी।
हाँ।
ये वर्ड इतना कॉमन क्यों होता जा रहा है?
यार लोग सबसे पहले यही हिलाते नाचते वक्त ना, तो आई थिंक द गाइज हु मेक म्यूजिक आर फाइनली रियलाइजिंग सबसे पहले यही हिलता है, तो इसके बारे में हम गाने बनाना शुरू करें।
I think what happens is when you automatically start hearing a fun song and a song that you want to dance to,
Yeah, that word creates a situation ना, that you're thinking अरे ये अलग word है।
generally the lower part of the body you start tapping your feet, you start moving your legs, and in the process the booty starts moving as well.
मतलब shake your tongue on the floor में
है
वो
कि
बात नहीं है ना।
है कि नहीं?
Shake your हाथ on the floor, shake your गर्दन on the floor, उसमें कुछ ये बात shake your booty on, हाँ ये अच्छा ये तो।
Hi Arjun, Deepika, Alok here from OFM.
Sir, why are you still wearing sunglasses?
क्योंकि
Wait,
लगे ना कि मैं जग के आया हूँ टाइप्स।
आप और मैं जो लोखंड वाला से आया करें। हाँ। जी।
मेरा आप दोनों से सवाल है कि सुबह इन जनरल आप कितने बजे उठ जाते हैं?
जब दीपिका पादुकोण बोलती है मैं आ जाता हूँ उठ के।
दीपिका, कभी ऐसे वक्त पे सुबह 8-9 बजे आपने पहले कभी प्रेस कॉन की है? याद आता है?
We've troubled you.
नो, मैं तो 5 बजे उठता हूँ।
नहीं कल मुझे जो मिले थे बोला अरे सुबह 8:30 बजे पहुंचना है, कैसे? मैंने बोला हाँ मुझे भी 8:30 बजे पहुंचना है कल सुबह। यही दोनों शख्स, पहचानिए इन दोनों को, यही दोनों थे कल शाम को मेरे सामने।
अच्छा, आप दोनों की जो तस्वीरें हैं, अर्जुन आपके तस्वीर के ऊपर लिखा है रोमांस एंड दीपिका आपके ऊपर लव। अर्जुन आपके लिए रोमांस क्या है एंड दीपिका आपके लिए लव क्या है, अगर डिस्क्राइब कर सकें हिंदी में?
If you are in love, you should have the ability to romance the girl that you're in love with, or guy, if you're in love with. I think there has to be love for there to be romance. So you have to feel very passionately. अगर आप किसी के तरफ बहुत passionately feel करते हैं, उनके बिना जी नहीं सकते, उनके बिना रह नहीं सकते, वो आपकी ज़िंदगी का बहुत अहम हिस्सा है या वो आपकी ज़िंदगी है, तो आप किसी भी हद तक जाएंगे वो रोमांस होता है। Doing small things, that's romantic. Just being able to make that person smile is romantic. So romance comes in many variables. बहुत अलग-अलग तरीकों से romance हो सकता है. But the important feeling is there has to be love for you to have a genuine romance with somebody.
I don't think you can define it. Love, romance, it's a feeling. You know, I don't think you can define it. It means different things for different people. The feeling is different towards different people. The love you feel for your parents is different for the love you feel for your friend, is different for the love you feel for your husband or your lover. So yeah, but I think the bottom line is, according to me, love is the only universal language.
Hi Deepika, Saroj here from Bollywood Nazar. My question is for you. फिल्म में ऑन स्क्रीन आपने और रणवीर ने शादी कर ली है, तो ऑफ स्क्रीन हम लोगों को ये कब सुनने को मिल रहा है?
No comment.
There's a news that the premiere of the film has been postponed from 25th August to 1st September. Is there any particular reason, or is it also connected to the censor board issue which is going on?
It's directly related to the censor board issue, and I think there is a rule that it takes at least a minimum of 8 days once it goes into the censor for it to be passed at any level. Our film is being censored right now, actually, which is why Homi and the rest of the team are not here. And because of the backlog, we all know there's been a backlog, and there are a lot of films that need to be censored. So our film's gone in today, and so we need to keep a minimum of an 8-day gap before we can actually screen it. We've also decided to do something slightly different. And I also think that comes from the fact that we're very happy with the film that we've made, and the film is ready. So instead of doing the usual thing, which is to, you know, promote the film and then have a premiere or then show the film to everyone at the last minute, we've decided to do the reverse, which is to actually start with the premiere, which will now be on the 1st of September, and then kind of have various screenings for everyone, so that when the film finally premieres on the 12th of September, hopefully all of you know enough about the film that that the audience is eventually going to watch. I think we're also going to have some special screenings for all of you. I think our team will get in touch with all of you, and I think there's specific dates for everybody. But all of you sitting here will also get to see the film much before the actual release, the official release, which is on the 12th of September.
Also, अर्जुन, दीपिका, आप लोगों का क्या रिएक्शन था जब आप लोगों ने वो खबर जानी कि ब्राइबिंग चलती है सर्टिफिकेट लेने के लिए भी? इनफैक्ट कंट्रोवर्शियल फिल्म्स को भी सर्टिफिकेट आसानी से मिल जाता है अगर पैसा दिया जाता है तो.
I don't think this is the podium or the platform to discuss that. It's a very sensitive topic, and at this point in time, what's important is जो पिक्चरें रिलीज होने वाली अगले हफ्ते, like Raja Natwarlal and Mary Com, they get their censor certificates in time so they can be released, because there's a lot of money riding on those films as well, and we are also next in line to get released. So I hope the work continues as it's supposed to. That does not stop, because a lot of effort goes into making a film, and getting the film censored is an important part of it. So I hope the work does not suffer. It's not our place at this point, I don't think, to discuss that beyond it.
Also, one more thing, Deepika, you just said that we all will be able to see the film much more before the actual release date. That happens only when the makers and actors are quite confident about the film, that how it will be received. But also the other part is that this is kind of a mystery. Whatever we can see from the name of the film, Finding Fanny. Do you think that the main thing about the film will be out way before the release? Because of the online, how things go and story goes out.
Hopefully not.
They will know Pankaj Kapoor is the killer.
Hopefully not. I think we hope there are no spoilers, and we hope that people who go in and watch the movie kind of leave the mystery for everyone, for the rest of the audience that's going to see it later on. As far as being confident about the film is concerned, we've made a film. We've made it with all our heart. And once you've made a film, I think it's like a child. You have to let it go into the world. We have to kind of let it go at some point. And I think the other thing for us is that it's very, very different from any other film that has been made. So there's no comparison. You can't compare Finding Fanny to any other film that you've ever seen in Indian cinema. As far as the storytelling goes, as far as it looks visually. So we've made something special, and we hope that the audience and all of you love it as much as we do.
I think what will be nice, since we are doing it a little earlier than most films do it, we can have a coherent conversation about the film rather than speculation, rather than going into disjointed question answers with all you guys. I think it will be nice to be able to actually discuss the film, give the audience a fair perspective. Hamari film kiske bare mein, because it's unique in the way we've approached it, the making, the storytelling of Hobie, even though it's simple as a story. His approach and his visual palette is so unique. So acha hoga that you guys would be able to see it and actually talk about the film and the character, so we don't have to come out and say, "Wohi ghise bete line jo maarte hain." You might get interesting answers out of us also, which is nice for us also to have you guys supporting us here. So the audience does come out and watch something. Like I said in the last press conference also, बहुत लोग बोलते हैं ना, आप लोग same काम करते हो, same चीजें कहते हो, same films करते हो. This is not same. How different it is that the audience will decide, but it's not same. So I hope you guys enjoyed enough for us to have a healthy discussion about the film.
Members of the media, last two questions.
One question, Deepika here. धीरज from आज तक. एक इंडिया टुडे ग्रुप ने एक मूड नेशन सर्वे किया जिसमें